Hi there, this is Albanaga this side, and this is a demo video for Marketpresso. Now, in just a few seconds from now, I'm gonna create a good looking marketplace right in front of you, just like this one, right, with your banner image, with the categories right over here, with the about us description right over here, with the customer testimonials, all your services that you are going to be offering, and the subscription box. And along with this, when we go inside, the good looking product page, the service page that you're offering, right? And the checkout page and everything, the basic standard premium packages, your categories, subcategories, everything right over here, all the images in this alignment right over here. And let me show you how easy it is to create a marketplace like this using Marketpresso. All right. So let's jump into it. All right. So inside your dashboard, you will go over here and click on Add New. Right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create one from the scratch right in front of you. All right. And let's give it a name. So for example, let's say Digi Marketplace. And let's say I give it the name Digimarket, and it will show you whether it is available or not, right? So that's the first step. Now when it is done, you upload the logo for your marketplace. All right, you click on upload images, and then so what I have done is I have already created the images, so that I want to respect your time, right? So I've already created the images, so I'm going to just select them right over here, right? And then you select the favicon image. So we're gonna jump right back right over here. We're gonna click on the favicon image, and just like this, bit by bit, drag and drop, we are gonna create your good looking marketplace, right? So the basic configuration is done. Now the next thing that we are gonna do is we are gonna add a service, all right? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a service, right? Now, again, just to save your time, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna open the demo which I have already created, and let's say I open this. So I have created a doc. So just to save some time over here, all right? All right. So here's the thing. So the service is ebook cover design. So we are gonna call it ebook cover design, right? And then we come back over here. So we will write this down. I will create a professional ebook or book cover. Let's suppose. So the next thing is the about the service. So this is what we are doing. We are giving in the service, right? And do you want the ribbon text? I will show you later, okay? And then we can upload a service image right over here. All right, so I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go back to the demo. All right, and then I have the images right over here, so I'm gonna click over here and I'm gonna select an image. All right, okay, so I have this image, and then I'm gonna save the service. All right, I'm gonna save the service. Now we created one second. Okay, let me show you what we are creating already. All right, so we created Digi Market. All right, let me open that for you. The marketplace is already created, right? That's the beauty. It's just done in a second, right? All right, so let it load, and we have this demo image coming just by default. All right, so don't worry about it, and we will have everything ready right over here. All right, so let's go inside and let's click on the variations for this service. All right, so what we are going to be doing is we are going to be offering the basic package. Let's suppose the basic package, right? And then we are going to cover the description, right? So high resolution 2D and 3D cover, something like this. So the short description, what is going to be the price? Let's suppose $50. All right, so it is by default in dollars. All right, and then it automatically gets connected with the global payment service that we have integrated, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, just in case you are selling it to some other country and some other currency. All right, so what would be the delivery time? Let's suppose 5 days, and let's suppose we are gonna do three revisions, right? That was just for the demo, and then what are you giving in this particular service? Let's suppose you are giving commercial use, is it? Okay, so all right, so you're gonna click on yes, then it will come over here. All right, what else? What else? Let's suppose you're also giving the 3D image. All right, so it's gonna come over here. All right, now let's add some other variation, right? So something like this: basic, standard, and premium. All right, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a price. Let's suppose $100. Let's suppose 150, and this is something which will be delivered in 4 days. This is something which will be delivered in 2 days. All right, and we have three revisions over here. Let's suppose we are doing five revisions over here, and again we are gonna be doing five revisions over here, and both of these services are gonna be available over here. And what else? What else can we offer? Let's suppose we don't want to offer back and spine in the basic package. So I'm gonna again add this back and spine, okay, something like this. So this is one of the deliverables inside the ebook creation, but I don't want to offer in the standard package. So I'm gonna click on no, right? Let's suppose I want to offer this in both of them, so I'm gonna click on yes, right? Now I want to make sure that the premium service is a winner, so I'm gonna add something. Let's suppose three lines is the stock image, just like this, all right? And then now I will click on no, I will click on no, and over here it will be yes, right? Of course. And now what else? What else? So we want some short description over here. So the short description for the premium package is this. All right, now whatever you want to write, right, let me just show you in a couple of seconds where it is gonna be visible. All right, and the basic description for this standard package is going to be this, right? All right, so I believe we have covered everything. So let me click on the save variation, okay, and then we go inside the media. All right, so all the images that you will, that you want to show for your marketplace would be visible right over here. So let's suppose I select this image, right? And let's suppose I select this image. So again, over here we can show multiple images. So of course it makes sense that you upload multiple images, and you just flaunt your work, right? So I click over here, I click over here. Okay, so let me select this image, and then let me select this one, and then finally let me select this one, right? So the four images we have selected for this particular variation. Right now, do we want to add FAQ? We can, right? So let's suppose okay, so we have not something over here. So let's suppose just a question, okay, how much would be the delivery time? Let's suppose something like that, okay, and let's suppose 3 days. I mean, just for the demo purpose. All right, we can add more questions over here. All right, okay, so let me shut this down, and now let me show you that we don't have this service in our marketplace as of now in the home page, okay, in the home page, okay, right over here. But now this is the good part, right? You can enable that, which service you want to be, you want in the home page, right? So now when I enable this, I would see that this particular service is now visible in the home page. So basically, this service was already created inside the marketplace, but again, it is completely under our control that which particular service we want to show in the home page, right? Just like over here in this particular marketplace, the demo marketplace that we have created, do you see that we have shown multiple services right over here, right? And now I was talking about the badge, right? Do you see this badge right over here, top seller? Now let's suppose if you want to highlight some of your service, so what you can do is you can go back right over here, and let's suppose you want to highlight this one for today. So let's suppose what you can do is you can write down top seller, hot seller, something like this, and on a discount, whatever you want to add, you can do that right over here. And if I go ahead and refresh this, so right in front of your eyes, this will, we will have the top seller badge right over here, right? You can control the background color and everything, so don't worry about that. Now let's take care of some of the customizations. So let me go to the page settings right over here. Now we can add the categories. Do you see these categories? Graphic design, writing and translation, digital marketing, all these categories and subcategories. So this is something that can be created from here, right? So let's suppose my category is ebook creation, because we selected a service like that, right? And do we need a service? Okay, so the description. Okay, so I will create the ebooks for you, right? Or maybe I will create professional ebooks for you, right? And now, what do we want to upload in the category image? So I would suggest that the profile image that we selected for the service, let's not select it for the category, and we can select a different image if we want, or otherwise, for saving the time, I'm selecting this particular image. Right now I have this category right over here, but again it won't be visible in the marketplace until I would select, I would enable this option. All right, so this is how you do this. Now what you can do is you can go to the customize page